All right, so we get a lot of questions forward-facing sonar with boat positioning and things like that. So the biggest thing is position the nose of the boat into the wind. That way you have much better boat control and you're able to focus on that individual target for much longer. So sometimes you need to make that one precise cast. Sometimes you cast at an individual fish, especially a big one, 3 or 4 times, you're going to annoy that fish, or you could even annoy a whole school. The boat could come over that school too fast, the school's going to disperse, and then it's just hard to relocate that school. You want to get into good casting range so you can really shoot that fish, and a good distance to get to is within 30 to 40 feet. Sometimes that one cast is all it takes, and sometimes you only have that one cast. Just keep that in mind when you're using your forward-facing sonar. Have patience, dial in that fish, and make one precise cast.
Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button and click on the bell to stay up to date with the latest tips and techniques to help you get the next bite.